Just that speed of thought. Cut away in the air and taken. Straight to Sagar Kalyan at backward point. So Hazrat Luqman gets his man.
Well, no damage done in the end. And Usman Khan may be a bit flustered because of that run-out chance. He wasn't in his right frame of mind. And that's what's happened. It's a hit-me ball, isn't it? Outside off stump. Could have crashed it anywhere. Found Sagar Kalyan. And he's done really well. And a sund-off and a wink.
Well, all in good spirits. All in good fun. But that's a big blow to the blitzers. Usman Khan gone for 28. 45 for 2.